Kuringana na minista wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Naikuru John Kihage, mubango wa gucenjia tauni ya Naivasha gutuika kiguciririo kia agendi uhuritwo njeki ni tabarira ya Kenya Urban Support, gikundi kimwe kuma bururi-ini wa Jeremani hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru.
Once in every 3 months, an urban institution shall convene the citizens forum, where the citizens are given an opportunity to discuss matters that touch them or affect them within the urban area. So in today's meeting, we've had more than 100 people representing different sectors, and we've had a full day seminar.
Tukizingatia pesa ambazo tunapata kwa county na World Bank na kwingineko, Naivasha itang'ara sana.
Ukihana uguo mubango uyu ni ugumirwo ni mihinga itiganite ari hamwe na kwaga mibango migashiru, wagi wa mai hamwe na thitima, undu uria ucungiriirie gwikururia gwa tabarira ino.
The various sectors represented by the 100 people have given us very insightful points on how we are going to plan and develop the city, envisaged resource city of Naivasha, and also learn the day-to-day activities that affect the business community, the religious sector, the conservationists, the hotels and all that. So this is a new beginning, and we are very happy that the people are very positive.
Mihinga ino ni icungiriirie anyiti itemi matiganite kuma sekta-ini ngurani cia thirikari gucemania niguo kwambika mibango mirungiriru iria gutigirira tabarira ino ni yagacira.
Sio kiwanja kimoja peke yake, viwanja mbalimbali za kusaidia wananchi wetu. Tukaongea namna ya masoko, mabarabara na mataa, na tukasema ya kwamba tumeona hawa mheshimiwa governor ako na wazo nzuri la mji wetu wa Naivasha, na kwa hivyo wananchi wa Naivasha tuseme ya kwamba tuko salama.
Tuwe na airstrip ile iwe revived, ndio kwa sababu hata zamani ilikuwa inatumika. Na mambo ya education tuangalie ECD kwa sababu na present wazazi. Tungetaka ECD hata kama kuna feeding program, tuwe na structures where ECD is managed by the maybe ECD teachers, not the end teachers, kwa sababu is undevolved function.
Atongoria matiganite kuma gicigo giki ni matugiritie ikinya riri makiuga ona tabarira ino yagacira ni kurehera gicigo giki kigina gia gwikuria mieke ya mawira kuri muingi, undu umwe na kurehe uthii wa na mbere uria ukuona thoko njeru igiakwo, barabara hamwe na kwambikwo kwa tabarira cia matawa barabara-ini.